This weekend's West Co exploration adventure takes us about 2.5 hours west of Grand Junction, where we will explore Goblin Valley State Park, as well as camp in the surrounding area, drive down a few long and interesting dirt roads, and explore some petroglyphs and interesting formations in the nearby areas. Our first order of business was to find a great campsite, which we did in a dispersed area just to the west of the park, and get set up for the weekend. Our first stop as we explored was at the Temple Mountain Petroglyph panel, which has some really cool and very large petroglyphs and pictographs. The drive into Goblin Valley State Park takes you past a few very beautiful and unique formations and gives you a really good glimpse of what you have in store. There's a decent sized parking lot and has always been plenty of parking when we've been there. You're able to see quite a bit from the top in case you have accessibility issues. It's a short walk down to the valley floor where you can be among these giant mushroom-shaped formations. This valley was officially discovered by cowboys looking for missing cattle, although I'm sure the natives knew about it for years before that. The area was originally called Mushroom Valley and was acquired by the state of Utah, and in 1964 they designated it a state park. Goblin Valley is located within the San Rafael Swell recreation area and at the edge of Capitol Reef National Park. And there are many other things to do here. While you're at the park, check out the Goblin's Lair, which is a huge cave formation located near the back of the valley against the cliff. Nearby there are several slot canyons to walk through, a couple of beautiful rivers, petroglyph sites, and lots of hiking and mountain biking opportunities, as well as jeep trails. If you like this kind of travel video, please click the red button at the bottom right-hand corner of your video and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we put out a new video. We try to put one out every week, and we have some more amazing sites and videos in the pipeline that you don't want to miss. There is a beautiful campground in the park, and the park is also dog friendly as long as you keep them on a leash. This park can get extremely hot and dry in the summertime, so don't forget your hat, sunscreen, and a lot of water. There's one weird thing that I've noticed about being in this park, and that's every time we get close to the cliffs, for some reason I keep hearing this weird chant. The next day, after spending our time in the park, we decided to take one of the many dirt roads and just see where it went. And it took us all the way from the west edge of the park, across Muddy River, past the Factory Butte, down to Highway 24, and over to Hanksville, with some awesome sights and overlooks along the way. I just want to say thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video all the way to the end. We're so glad that you watched it, and we just ask that you would take the time to click the like button, and if you haven't already done it, subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that you will automatically get notified when we upload next week's video. Until then, have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.